Hello, good morning. How are you, students? I hope that all of you are in a happy and healthy state. And this is such a time where you must have to pay attention to your health. So here in this video, I am going to talk to you about the first chapter that we have read. That is, the title of the chapter is 3 Questions. So here in this story, we have a king who wants to find answers to what he considered the 3 most important questions in his life. हम इस स्टोरी में उस राजा से मिलते हैं जिसके पास 3 प्रश्न होते हैं और वो समझता है कि इन 3 प्रश्नों का उत्तर जानना उसकी ज़िंदगी में उसे सबसे आगे ले जाएगा, उसे सफलता दिलाएगा. सो हिज 3 क्वेश्चंस आर: what the right time was to begin something, which people he should take advice from, how to decide what the most important thing to do was. उसके 3 प्रश्न होते हैं कि what the right time was to begin something, कोई भी किसी भी चीज़ को शुरुआत करने का सही समय क्या है, किन लोगों से उन्हें सलाह लेनी चाहिए और किसी भी काम करने का सही समय क्या है. So in answer to all these 3 questions, he get that the right time to do something is now. That person is the most important you are with at a particular moment, and that most important thing is the thing which you are doing at a particular moment. अभी जो आपका वर्तमान है वही आपका सबसे महत्वपूर्ण समय है. वह व्यक्ति जिसके साथ आप हो वो आपका सबसे महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्ति है और वो काम जो आप कर रहे हो वो आपका सबसे महत्वपूर्ण काम है. सो द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज़ टू लिव इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट rather than complaining, rather than grumbling about the past and being anxious about the future. So we ought to consider every person we meet in the moment as significant, rather it is a poor or is a rich man, and the work which we are doing is the most important work at that time. So through this story we have learned that in such a condition, in such a situation, we also don't have to complain about the past, or we don't have to complain about the past. The past has gone now, and in the remaining situation we should now have to find the ways what we can do. So I hope that you will get what my message is through this video. Thank you. That's all for today.